everyone, I'm back with a project share, or shares actually. I had a kit come out, kind of a soft launch for a kit, my first kit ever. Imagine that. I was excited, I still am excited, but this is available on the Paper Tray Ink website. Here's the die. It's actually called In Stitches Candy Swirl. It came out as a kit, but the die is also sold separately because I know that some of you have a probably good size stash of felt. And it was made for, the kit was made for people who have never tried this before, but they want it all together in one shot. So you get felt, you get embroidery floss, you get needles, you get ribbon, you get all kinds of stuff that I'm going to show you in the kit. And the kit's available on the web already in the shop. So you can go to papertrayink.com or inktopaper.com and you will find the In Stitches Candy Swirl kit, or the die sold separately. The kit is $64. The die is $34. And so here's the die set. There's 4 pieces. And I will show you the projects that I made so that you can take a look for yourself and see if you're interested. So the first thing I have is a card. This is the Candy Swirl Here Twice. And I really like these 2 color combos. This is Mint Julep on white colored cardstock that's been inked around the edges. And then this is the Candy Swirl cut out from white cardstock and Bitty Big in the Pure Poppy and the Mint Julep. And then I just tied some seam binding here. This is a different stamp set. You know, obviously it's not included in the kit, but I thought it would be appropriate. It's a really fun looking die. So that's the card that I made out of paper, not felt. And then I have some examples of felt that I have sewn. So here is the same die cut out of Simply Chartreuse and Pure Poppy felt and sewn together with coordinating embroidery floss. And the other piece that's included in the die is this little piece right here to make your little treat container. So I cut 2 of the circles in paper. The front is backed with the paper. So there's the felt that I cut with the die, and then I just glued it down to the front of the circle and constructed the little, you know, piece that is included in the set here. And then I have a gift bag tied in between. And the circles really help because you can tie your little string through it to tie your bag in here. Look how cute this is. Now, I know I can't show this to you when it's sitting. It's not sitting straight up and down. It sits like this, like it's spun to the side, which is really cute when you look at it. There's a picture of this on the website if you want to look at samples. All these projects are posted. So if you look in the store, you'll see the sample in here. And it's really cute. I really love this. But anyway, it's because I'm enamored with cute little things, so just ignore my exuberance there. But anyway, this is a stamp set from the latest release, from the October release. This is in the orange stamp set. I don't know what it's called, but it's got oranges in it. And I like the Sweet Holiday Wishes. Even though this is not sweets on the inside of the package, it's actually bath bombs in mint. I thought it would be appropriate to put in a package like this because this is a candy mint. And it's actually meant to mimic, you know, the swirl candy mints that you have around this time of the, well, the holidays. You have them around the holidays. I say this time of the year because it's November. It's not Christmas yet. So there you go. So there's that project. You can also make lollipops. So this is the same candy. Swirl, I've sewn this with white and Pure Poppy felt and used white embroidery floss all the way. This is stuffed with, you know, what do you call that? This stuff. Polyfill. Polyfill is not included in the kit. The little cellophane wrappers are, however, included. And so is the ribbon. you will get 3 different colors of ribbon in addition to the 3 different colors of felt. So you get the pure poppy felt, you get a new color that we've included, fresh snow for the white, and you get the simply chartreuse, which is the green. This is not, I'll just mention now, this is not fresh snow, because that one we're still waiting on it to come in from the manufacturer, and it will be 100% wool, just as their other wool is that she carries. So this stamp set here is from, again, one of the new releases. Merry Christmas to You is stamped in there, and all of this comes from the same stamp set, and then the die is actually coordinating, so you can purchase the die too. But I made this so that you could do this like as a place setting. So if you wanted to put somebody's name here, you could do this as a place setting for dinner. I don't know if we'll be able to, you know, have family dinners, you know, for the holidays, but, you know, you guys can decide for yourself what you want to do. But I thought this was cute. This can be used for other things other than Christmas, though. Can you see this for, like, Valentine's? Like a whole bunch of lollipops sticking out of a little thing. Okay, anyway, getting a little excited again. So I did make that candy treat, which is calorie-free. And the last thing I made is this gift bag with an ornament hanging from it. I purposely flattened it out so I wouldn't have to show it to you all opened up. This gift bag, of course, is not in the set. I just use it as a prop. This comes from a set that was released. You can order the bags on the Paper Trail Inc. website. They have them, they're craft color. They also have them in white, but the white is a little glossy, so it's harder to stamp it because it is glossy and it will smear. So you'd have to treat it with some sort of thing so the ink won't smear, but that's more work. So I went ahead and used the craft. I forgot what the set is called, but it's, oh, something Baggett or something like that. But I like the little bag it creates. Well, I decorated the bag, and then I hung the ornament from the bag so that it could be given as a treat to, you know, a coworker or a neighbor or something like that. But this was the intention originally of the kit, is to be able to make these little candy ornaments, either as a little candy treat like this or a lollipop, which is why we've included the cellophane wrap. All I did was tape it on the other side. I rolled it down and taped it on the other side instead of tying it with ribbon on this side. So yeah, use your creativity. You guys can do this. It's very easy. I had a blast making all of these little projects. I hope you enjoyed it. And that is it for my new kit. And also die sold separately if you have a big stash of felt, because some of us do. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.